Hi friends, for today's lesson we are going to review some of those prefixes that we learned in this unit. So each of these words that are discussed in numbers 1 through 8 are going to have a prefix, which is at the beginning of a word that gives us a hint as to what the word means. So number 1, or let's read the directions. It says, choose the word that is demonstrated in the sentence for questions numbers 1 through 8. So it's going to give you a description, and you need to look at the prefix of your choices to see which is the correct word. So number 1 says, my younger brother loves riding his 3-wheeled vehicle around the driveway. So important part there is 3-wheeled. Is that a bicycle or a tricycle? Number 2, the boat didn't travel very fast across the lake with so many people in it. So it's not traveling very fast. Is it underpowered or overpowered? Number 3, she can speak English, Spanish, and Italian since she has lived all over Europe. Is this someone that is bilingual or multilingual? Number 4, the girl woke up crying because she had a bad dream and it was dark in her room. If it's dark out, is this happening midday or midnight? Number 5, we shouted surprise at the same time when Lisa entered the dark room, expecting the house to be empty. So this is something that happened at the same time. Is this unison or uniform? Number 6, my teacher asked me to add a mark to my map to show the direction that birds migrate for the winter. So you are marking on a map. Is that a line or an underline? Number 7, certain mythical gods carry a symbol for their power with them that looks a little bit like a large 3-pronged fork. So we've got mythical gods that carry around this 3-pronged fork that says that they have power. Is this a trident or a trilogy? And number 8, the power company decided to move the power lines under the neighborhood since bad storms always tear them down. So they are moving them under the neighborhood. Would this be underground or underwater? Number 9, what does the prefix una mean? 1, 2, 3, or many. Una. Number 10, what does the prefix by mean? 1, 2, 3, or many. That is all for today. I will see you guys next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, Adams.